years of excellence for the Lufthansa. We're very happy for them. Of course, in these 25 years, Lufthansa Technique Philippines has proudly kept our aircraft safe in the skies, empowered Filipino talent as well, and supported local communities. Today, we extend that same commitment to assurance and excellence onto the race course.
Yes, so this run isn't just about aviation, it's about the people. So Lufthansa is actually where they are right now because of you guys. About moving together, building camaraderie, and celebrating health and resilience as one community.
Speaking of which, you are that community that really empowers all of us here. Can you give yourselves a big round of applause? Good morning! There you go. We want to say thank you so much, of course, to everyone here today. Thank you for being here. And, of course, thank you to our esteemed VIPs who have joined us as we run for 25 years of excellence. And, of course, as we strive towards greatness.
Well, isn't it just a moment that we would want to treasure forever? This moment right here again, just the 25 years of excellence for Lufthansa. And you guys, you are already excellent for coming here, even if it's raining. You know that there's typhoon coming. I hope everybody stays safe. But right now, we want to remember this moment by having a groupie together. So why don't you come closer to us, please? Let's have a picture
25
together.
years, that's no easy feat, huh?
Yes.
Silver wedding anniversary.
Kaya 25K ang tatakbuhin natin for
Yes.
this lovely morning. Okay, so again, please come closer as